Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm gonna share this high ponytail hairstyle. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, divide your hair into half from crown area. And now keep this hair aside for a while and tuck that hair with the clutcher. Now grab all your half hair and make a ponytail. Now split a ponytail into half and take one small clutcher and tuck that clutcher between these two parts. Now remove the clutcher and grab all your hair, include a ponytail with the clutcher. And because of the first ponytail, we will get a nice volume in this ponytail and a high ponytail. And of course, we have done all this process just to get that high point. And I have shared so many ponytail tutorials on my channel. So I always try to do a ponytail in a new way. So there is always some difference in my all videos. Now pull out some hair to get some volume in front. And at last, take one strand and wrap it around the rubber band. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. मेरी ID मैंने स्क्रीन पर मेंशन की हुई है. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.